Friends, I ask you to subscribe to our channel. After all, it's not hard for you to do. Thank you. Enjoy watching.
My name is Cate Blanchett.
Cate Blanchett is a brilliant Hollywood theater and film actress. Audiences loved her for her vivid, character roles, for her organic and naturalness on stage and screen. On account of the celebrity numerous prestigious awards, critics praise the skill and talent of the Australian. She is not afraid of experimentation, appears before the audience in a variety of different, even male characters, and these risks are always justified. Childhood and youth. The beloved by millions of Hollywood star of Australian descent Catherine Eliza Blanchett, known to viewers as Cate Blanchett, was born in Melbourne in the spring of 1969. Her father, a naval officer from Texas, Robert Blanchett, fell in love with a teacher from a Melbourne school named June. This event coincided with the boy's retirement. Robert moved to Australia for the love of his life and went into business and advertising. The couple created a family with 3 children, one after the other. The firstborn was a son, Bob. He was followed by the birth of Kate. Shortly after the birth of the youngest child, daughter Genevieve, Robert passed away. The cause of the man's death was a heart attack. Raising the children fell on the frail shoulders of June. Kate was 10 years old at that time. Family tragedy and subsequent financial problems forced the future actress to make adult decisions as a child. She refused to play with peers and carefree leisure. Her mother worked her entire life, and her daughter looked after her little sister and helped around the house. As the actress later admitted, at school she was very fond of theater. But the desire to get a serious profession and set the shoulder of his mother took over the youthful dreams. As a young girl, she went to a university in Melbourne, choosing economics. But the world of numbers seemed so alien and uninteresting to Kate that she gave in to the impulse and dropped out. Terrified of what she had done, she left to travel to foggy Albion. After Britain, the future celebrity went without a penny of money to Egypt. To earn at least a small sum, she agreed to participate in an extra in an Arab film project. It seems that fate itself has sent Blanchett a hint in what direction to move forward. After returning to Melbourne, Kate went straight to drama school. She studied with pleasure and in 1992 received a diploma with honors. Participate in theatrical productions. The young actress began in her first year. Theatre. After graduation, she was taken to the Company Theatre in Sydney. Blanchett made her debut in the play Cool Girls, then appeared in other productions. Critics have praised the talent of Kate in the scandalous play Olenna, where her partner was Geoffrey Rush. The experienced actor and novice performer embodied on stage the story of a university professor accused of harassment by a student. Later, Rush invited Blanchett to play Ophelia in a production of Hamlet, directed by Neil Armfield. By the mid-90s, she often appeared on stage, trying on the image of the heroines of classical literature. Kate also agreed to experimental projects. In the theatrical repertoire of the celebrity over the years have appeared productions based on the plays of Anton Pavlovich Chekhov. For the first time, Blanchett played Chekhov's heroine in 1997. She got the role of Nina Zerchneya. In 2011, Kate embodied the audience Yelena Andreevna from Uncle Vanya. 4 years later, the actress was offered to work on the image of Anna Petrovna in Without Fathers. The performance took place at the Sydney Theatre. And in 2017, the performer presented the same role, but already in New York. It was her Broadway debut. Movies. Cate Blanchett's cinematic biography very successfully began in her native Australia. In 1997, the actress starred in 3 projects. Viewers saw her in the image of Nurse Susan McCarthy in the dramatic Paradise Road and the romantic comedy Thank God He Met Lizzie. For this work, Blanchett won first prizes, awards of the Australian Film Institute and the Society of Film Critics of the country. World fame came to the actress in 1998. She was entrusted to embody the image of Elizabeth in a historical project of Shekhar Kapur. The drama Elizabeth, in which Kate had to play with such stars as Joseph Fiennes, Geoffrey Rush and Vincent Cassel, made the actress famous in America and Europe. It also brought her first Oscar nomination and the prestigious Golden Globe and BAFTA awards. After the film's release, the press exploded with rave reviews about the film and the actress. Soon the screens one after another came out new successful Hollywood films. in which the Australian star appeared. Particularly striking among them was a film by Anthony Minghell's The Talented Mr. Ripley, based on the novel of the same name by Patricia Highsmith. The Italian director retained the main thrust of the original source, but put different accents, which made the picture more subtle and dramatic. The main roles in the film were played by Matt Damon, Jude Law and Gwyneth Paltrow. Initially, the plot was only supposed to be about their book characters. But when the director found out about Cate's desire to work with him, he wrote the role especially for the actress, created the heroine and aristocrat Meredith Lowe, who was not in the book. Blanchett herself called Lowe strange and interesting and skillfully conveyed on the screen exalted girl from high society. In 2001, Cate changed the role of a refined young lady to the daring image of the criminal, playing in the detective comedy Bandits with Bruce Willis and Billy Bob Thornton. Much more modest reviews accompanied the mystical thriller The Gift, in which the actress got the role of psychic Annabelle. It also played Keanu Reeves. But the picture was successful at the box office and brought the creators $44 million profit. At the same time, critics are almost unanimously stated that the film pulled only a talented Cate Blanchett. Blonde Australian also appeared in a trilogy of movies The Lord of the Rings, hitting the audience the image of the majestic Galadriel, the powerful elf queen. Originally, Peter Jackson had planned to invite the actress Lucy Lawless, known as Xena from the series Xena, warrior princess, to the role of elvish mistress, but she got pregnant and could not shoot. Then the director took a risk and offered this image to Cate, after which viewers considered this casting perfect. No less significant in the work of Blanchett was a biographical drama by Martin Scorsese's The Aviator. Australian played the mistress of a millionaire Howard Hughes, playboy, director and pilot. The role of the second plan, which went to the actress, brought her first Oscar and a number of prestigious awards. In 2007, Cate returned to the role of Queen Elizabeth in the historical drama Golden Age. The new film again brought the actress nominations for prestigious awards. She also starred in I'm Not There, a film about the legendary Bob Dylan. She played another interesting character in the drama The Curious Case of Benjamin Button. She played the lover of the hero Brad Pitt in an incredible story about the life of a man born with the appearance and health of an 80-year-old man, and with age turns into a handsome young man. In 2010, the film Robin Hood starring Russell Crowe was released. Cate played the girl Marion. The fantastic picture was a success among the audience, so the popularity of the actress has only increased. The plot of the film is based on the classic legend of an archer who takes money from the rich and gives it to the poor. The main emphasis is on how Robin Hood becomes an outlaw. The second Oscar statuette brought the artist a starring role in the movie hit Blue Jasmine, filmed in 2012 by the genius Woody Allen. Some observers noted that the film is similar to Tennessee Williams' play A Streetcar Named Desire, as well as its 1951 adaptation of the same name, where the lead female role Blanche DuBois went to Vivien Leigh. Cate has already tried on a thin, aristocratic, with a broken psyche Blanche, only on the stage in 2009. After the release of Allen Pictures, movie critics concluded that this is the best work in the filmography of the Hollywood star. The actress has been awarded an Oscar and all the major awards of the world film industry. Blanchett tried herself as a voice actress. Her voice speaks the heroine of the animated film How to Train Your Dragon 2 Valka. In 2015, Cate again starred in the film adaptation of the work of Patricia Highsmith, this time based on the novel Carol. The Australian actress got the role of the main character, Carol. The film has the same name. The action tapes took place in New York in the 1950 seconds. In order to stylize the project for film works of the time, the film crew chose tape format Super 16. The plot centers on the heroine Carol and the young salesgirl Teresa, played by Rooney Mara. The drama received high critical acclaim and received 6 Oscar nominations. In the fairy tale Cinderella, the actress reincarnated as the girl's evil stepmother. Cate then showed her incredible talent in the drama Manifesto, where she read out 13 manifestos. Declaring a certain text, Blanchett turned into this or that character. In the whole movie, the actress played 13 roles. In March 2017, director Terrence Malick presented an interesting project called Song to Song. In the tape, 2 love triangles are intertwined, the characters of which are connected in one way or another. Cate Blanchett played the role of Amanda. Colleagues of the actress were Natalie Portman, Rooney Mara, Michael Fassbender, Ryan Gosling and others. And in the fall, the artist appeared before the audience as the goddess of death Hela in the movie Thor Ragnarok, defying the very Lord of Thunder and Lightning Thor. The film also stars Chris Hemsworth. In April, the blonde artist, along with Sandra Bullock, Anne Hathaway and Sarah Paulson, presented the expected crime comedy Ocean's 8. It's a film about Danny Ocean's sister Debbie Ocean, who was released from prison. The woman assembled a team to steal the famous Daphne Kluger necklace at a ball at the Metropolitan Museum of Art. Blanchett then appeared in the comedy drama Where'd You Go, Bernadette, where she played the title role. The film is based on a novel by Maria Semple. Before shooting, Cate made a special trip to Seattle to meet the author of the book. During the meeting, Semple presented the actress with the sunglasses in which she wrote the work. Cate was so taken aback that she often appeared in them on camera. The face of her heroine with this accessory became the trademark of the film. In August 2019, the Oscar-winning actress announced the end of her career and her desire to take a break from the social life in the country. Cate noted that it was time for her to stop, as she had already starred in all the movies she wanted. It's time to make way for young talent. However, to the delight of fans, the actress continued to work. After the high-profile announcement, she appeared in several films. The year 2020 was marked for the artist with the release of the TV series Mrs. America, where she played the lead role and reincarnated as Phyllis Schlafly. Other cast members included Rose Byrne, Yuzo Aduba, Elizabeth Banks, Kaylee Carter, and others. The series, in the drama genre, raises a socially significant topic: the equality of women and men. Activist Phyllis Schlafly protests against equal rights and feminism in the midst of the 1970 seconds. In 2021, Nightmare Alley, based on the book of the same name by William Lindsay Gresham, was released. The plot centers on a magician who decides to pull off a big scam. He claims to be able to talk to the dead. One day a client becomes a millionaire. Blanchett's character plays no small part in the affair. Personal life. Cate Blanchett's personal life is dull and boring. It is impossible to find anything here that would pull at least some scandal. In December 1997, Cate married screenwriter and editor Andrew Upton. The couple legitimized their relationship a year after the affair began. They met on a movie set and have not parted since. Upton is not at all handsome and not a genius. But the relationship between the spouses are such that they may well be considered exemplary in the Hollywood world of scandalous divorce and high-profile intrigue. At one time, the couple bonded over shared literary passions. Andrew supported his beloved and not tormented by jealousy or professional jealousy. Blanchett and Upton had 3 sons: Dashiell John, Roman Robert, and Ignatius Martin. The youngest son was born in 2008. And in the spring of 2015, the couple adopted a girl, Edith Vivian Patricia. Appearance and style. In 1999, People magazine included Blanchett in the list of 50 most beautiful people in the world. Since the beginning of her career, the actress has managed to become a style icon of the Dream Factory. She has no bad habits. The star is engaged in Pilates and plays tennis. And also from time to time she practices holistic detox. It is a special food system, which eliminates the consumption of red meat, dairy products, fruit, flour, alcohol, and chocolate for 21 days. That's why now Cate looks so great, although some users of the network write that it's because of plastic surgery. Signature for the actress are light skin, which she protects from the sun, bright red lipstick and makeup, and blonde hair. Cate likes simple hairstyles and expensive dresses, as well as classic suits. On red carpet, she always looks noble and stylish. The actress does not attend gyms, saying that children are the best fitness club. And physical activity is enough for her on the set. At the same time, she has a model figure. You can find a microblog on Instagram, where you can find photos of the artist. However, the profile has no official verification, so the account is likely to belong to the fans of the celebrity. In 2013, the fashion house Giorgio Armani offered the actress to present a new fragrance C. The advertising campaign was successful, and the cooperation of the Australian with the brand continued in subsequent years. The actress managed to star in several commercials of this Italian brand, embodying the image of a successful and extremely feminine lady before the audience. Cate Blanchett now. In 2022, the actress continued her work in cinema. With Blanchett on the screens came the drama Tar, which became the first film Todd Field in the last 16 years. The picture immediately went on to become one of the most promising film projects of the year, and Cate's game was predicted another Oscar. In the story, the heroine actress Lydia Thar, a famous conductor on both sides of the ocean, gets into a series of unpleasant conflicts that threaten not only her job, but also their personal relationship with the First Violin Orchestra, which leads an adopted daughter. In September, the picture was presented at the 79th Venice Film Festival. At the premiere of the film, Cate appeared in a spectacular black jumpsuit fashion house Schiaparelli, decorated with floral buds. The outfit made a stunning impression on the audience, and fashion critics once again praised the subtle and sophisticated style of the celebrity. Blanchett won the award for Best Actress at the end of the competition. To receive the award, the performer chose a black dress with a long train, reminiscent of the royal mantle. In January 2023, for her role in the same film, Cate won a Golden Globe Award for Best Drama Actress. In addition, she was nominated for an Oscar for the image created in the picture.